morning, and welcome to another episode of Math in our Jammies. Today, we're going to use non-standard units to measure length. What is a non-standard unit? Well, a non-standard unit is anything that isn't used regularly to measure. So it cannot be a ruler or a measuring tape or a yardstick. It has to be something that doesn't have numbers on it, that isn't regularly used to measure. So this morning, I'm going to be using Coke tabs. I found an object around my house where I have lots of them that are about the same size each. And that is your job, to find something around the house that you have a good number of that is about the same size. Each one is. You need it to be equal. You could use Cheerios, sprinkles, paper clips, perhaps Skittles or M&Ms, if you're so lucky to have those at your house, which I am not. So, this morning, I'm going to measure with what I do have, Coke tabs. So, let's take a look at this first object, the crayon. I'm going to measure this crayon with my Coke tabs. I'm going to start by putting a Coke tab in line with that little black line right there. All right, I still have space for another Coke tab, so I'm going to go ahead and line another one up. My Coke tabs stretch a little beyond the second black line, but here's how I judge this. I'm going to take a look at my second Coke tab, and if more of the Coke tab is on this side of that black line, then I'm going to count that Coke tab in the measurement. But if more of it is on this side, going past the crayon, then I won't count that tab. But this morning, since more of the Coke tab is this way, that means that this crayon is about 2 Coke tabs in length. All right, let's try another one. Let's try the stapler. I'm going to line my Coke tabs up with the stapler. All right, so let's take a look at this. This time I know that it's at least 2 Coke tabs in length. But then if I look at this third one, more of the tab is stretching beyond the stapler. Therefore, that means I cannot count this tab in my estimate. I have to just count these 2. So it's about 2 Coke tabs in length. Let's try the paintbrush. All right. Looking at the paintbrush, I have 2 for sure, and then that third Coke tab is stretching way beyond the paintbrush. That means that I cannot count it in my estimate. So I'm going to say that the paintbrush is also about 2 Coke tabs in length. So that is how you measure objects using non-standard units of length. I challenge you this morning to find something around your house to use as a non-standard unit. Now, keep in mind that while I've done the first 3, your answers may not be the same as mine, because if you use an object smaller than a Coke tab, then you're obviously going to have more of that object to use to measure this object right here. Or if you use an object that's a lot bigger than a Coke tab, it's going to take you less of them to fill up the object. So have fun with this and make sure you send me pictures when you're finished. Have a good day.